Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the text, edit by writing, size the letter, font of letter, duplicate the letter, change the color, select the texture, go to the gallery, select a color, then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another color, to back the color, select the stroke, adjust the color white, select the 3D shape, light angle, select the emboss button, adjust the letter, duplicate the letter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.